students, in today's session we are going to learn a grammar part, that is RM with ing form of doing verb, doing words. Okay, see students, this form of is, are or am plus ing we used in present continuous tense, which tense indicates the thing, anything is happening now, means that thing happen present or still going on. Okay, means continuously going on the situation, which tense shows us present continuous tense. Okay, when we can use am, is, are, we know already. I am, he, she, it is, or we, you, they are. Understood? Means am always goes with I, he, she, it singular pronouns goes with as, plural pronoun you we always considered as plural form. Okay, plural pronouns goes with are. Now what we have to add, we have to do same pattern. After that we have to add ing to the doing words after it. See, I am reading a book. He, she, it is reading a comic or a book. We, you, they are reading books. Understood? What we add? ing form to the doing word. Read is the doing word. We add ing to the doing word. Understood? Now open your textbook on page number 57 for better understanding.
Topic 22 is, are, am with ing forms of doing words. Read these sentences given below. I am reading a book. You are reading a comic. She is reading a poem. They are reading books. Look at the box given here. It shows the correct use of is, are, am with ing form of doing words. I am, we, you, they are. The girl, he, she, Meena is sitting in the park. Question A. Look at the pictures given here. Use words from the box to form the ing form of doing words. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Mother is drinking tea. Pooja and Diya are playing badminton. See the next page. The fisherman is rowing the boat. Harry is playing the drum. Vinay is packing the gift. Uncle John is looking out of the car window. Parul is standing in a line. The farmer is ploughing the field. Father is reading a newspaper. Grandpa is holding the baby in his arms. Question B. Some words end in E. When we add ing, we drop E. Add ing to the word given below and write them in the blanks. See, here is one rule of adding ing. When spelling is like ends with E, what we have to do? We have to drop this E and directly we have to add ing. See, like, we drop the E and join the ing. Test, ending with E. We drop this E and adding ing. Like that we have to solve. Love, loving, care, caring, share, sharing, bite, biting, dance, dancing, close, closing. In all these words all these words are ending with E, and when we are adding ing we drop the E and directly we join the ing. See the next page. Next rule. When ing is adding to some words, then the last letter is doubled. Add ing to following words and write them. Sometimes what happens here? Jog. G is single, but when we add ing at that time, G becomes double. Okay? Get, getting. T double. Like that, heat, hitting. Green, greening. Shop, shopping. Drop, dropping. Knit, knitting. Fight, fighting. Understood? Now next, question D. Add is, are, or, am and the ing form of the suitable doing words form the brackets. Fill in the blanks to complete the story. See here. Preeta goes to her hobby class. She can see many children there. Nidhi, girl, from she group. So Nidhi is painting a picture. Rohan belongs to he group. Rohan is drawing a sketch. Simi belongs to she group. Simi is learning to dance. Fida and Soma both are playing the tabla. Mini is asked Preeta, what are you doing? Preeta says, I am writing a story and I like to do that. Turn the next page. Okay, we will stop here because here ends the topic. Okay, students, you have to solve these pages and as well as write in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.